We are here to address you after our meeting of things that borders on our party. I want to start by bringing up the issue that has been discussed as recommendation in Ibadan, that this NWC has approved the recommendation so far that was read out in Ibadan, ranging from the issue that was raised in that meeting. It has discussed the convention, which will forward also to the NEC, the issue of National Secretary, the issue of convention, and the committees that was recommended. All will be discussed at the soonest when we have our NEC. I want to use also this opportunity once more condemn what has happened in Delta. I'm glad, I've said it earlier, that the party, the governor and our vice presidential candidate has not faulted the party, nor did the party did anything wrong, rather than their wish, according to them, to join the party, which to me, we've taken it with all sorts of regret and the pains that has gone down with us. I want to also use this opportunity to tell Nigerians that election is not done by leaders but by people. The PDP is still a brand that all of them are jealous of. And I believe this should not weigh us down. Rather, should make us up our sleeves so that come 2027, Nigerians will speak. They can coerce, like I said earlier, cajole and intimidate our members into joining them. But they can only do that because they feel they have what it takes. When the time comes, they will receive the result from Nigerians. It has happened before, and it will repeat itself. The parameters that will make Nigerians revolt against them is all in place. This government has been so insensitive to the yearnings and feelings of people. They have nothing so far, they have not shown any remorse. We are not conquered people. We are Nigerians, tax-paying Nigerians, law-abiding citizens, and we have rights. And when the time comes, Nigerians will show them that they have rights. 2027 is between Nigerians and TINUBU and the APC. So I want to urge our supporters to remain calm. We've just instructed the zonal caretaker committee to oversee the party in Delta after dissolving all the structures that has already been there since majority of them has shifted. And in no longer time will constitute a caretaker committee. We've also approved the zonal congresses that have so far taken place in the 3 zones vis-a-vis southwest, northeast, and southeast. And also approved the caretaker committee of North Central Zone, pending when they will have their election soonest. With this, I want to ask our teaming supporters. Yeah, I mentioned that. I want to ask our teaming supporters to support the party. We may have our own internal crisis, which to me is surmountable. The beauty of this party is that it has always resolved its crisis whenever it rears its head. So, to recover our mandate that they have taken away, the fortune of this party cannot be just left in the hands of our adversaries. So he will take legal action to retrieve those mandates as per as per the Electoral Act that says whenever you leave, you must leave the chair that you have occupied. So we are going to still do that. And also want to warn that party faithful should be faithful to the party. As you can see, we have an NWC that is devoid of any crisis. If somebody is looking for an excuse in order to justify whatever stupidity he wants to do, he will say that the NWC has crisis. Our party is intact. It will continue to lead. We will soon have a convention to usher in new executive. So I want to say here unequivocally that PDP is one, and it will continue to be one indivisible party. And no amount of intimidation or mischief can bring down this party. It has survived all sorts of machination in the past, and this one is just a child play. We've already crossed the line. We're looking forward to 2027, where the country will speak based on the existing hardship that has been deliberately imposed on people. So I want to thank you I'll take.
Good evening, sir.
Good
My
evening.
name is Brian. I'm a reporter with Channel TV.
Yeah.
I want to seek clarity. Are you saying in clear terms that the party has instructed the new Abaga to put out?
27.
No.
You are asking question. The NEC will hold on the 27th. And the convention we are looking at around end of August, 28, 29, 30. But it is a proposal subject to next approval. What is the point? We have adopted the recommendation that has been laid down to forward it to NEC. It's a decision that only NEC can decide. So, but we can initiate and recommend it to NEC. So we are recommending, we are forwarding all this issue to NEC. At NEC, they will take an appropriate. Maybe earlier than that, but we are, that was the decision of
What's the recommendation about your convention?
Yeah, we have suggested that, but depending on what the NEC will say. I cannot speak for NEC, I will only recommend.
What date is it?
If you see the communique of the Governors Forum, all the dates for NEC, for convention has been communicated. Thank you very much. I think he has exhausted your question because he did.
Governor to leave because he has defected. That's the question.
The governor has already left.
But I mean, is the PDP going to vote on to say that because he's no longer in the PDP, then...
No, the legal advisor will take care of that. Very well, very soon.